Error intervals. Imagine we rounded a number and the answer was 3.2, then the lowest the number could have been would be 3.15, and the maximum would be anything up to but not including 3.25. This is known as an error interval and can be written using inequality notation like this. 3.15 is called your lower bound and 3.25 is called your upper bound. Notice we have a less than or equal to symbol by the 3.15 because we're allowed that number, but we're not allowed 3.25, so it's just a regular less than. For this question here, the first thing to do is write down your x and then your inequality symbols like this. Take the number itself and just add a 5, and that will give you your upper bound. To get your lower bound, take the same number but reduce the number before the 5 down by 1, so from a 7 to a 6, and that's your error interval done. For this next question here, start in the same way with your inequality symbols on your x, take the number itself, but look for that tail of zeros. The first number in your tail becomes a 5, then to get your lower bound, the number before that 5 goes down by 1 again, so from a 7 to a 6. That's an error interval. For this last question where it says to the nearest 50, take the 50 and divide it by 2, that gets you 25. Then take your original number, add 25 to it, take 25 off, and that gets you your 2 bounds like this. That's your error interval done.